Welcome! In this video I'll guide you through the process of closing the pop-up roof. Start by opening at least one vehicle door to prevent any potential damage from pressure build-up when closing the roof. Next, check to make sure there are no objects or bedding between the roof shell and the bed unit. This will help avoid any damage. Ensure that only the original mattress is being used. Make sure it is properly aligned and does not extend beyond the back of the bed. Carefully fold the cloth bellows inward, making sure they are not pinched or caught as the roof begins to close. Gradually pull the pop-up roof down using the bar. Once the roof is fully lowered, secure it by inserting the two pins into their holders. Ensure the locks on both the left and right sides are engaged and properly tensioned to secure the roof. Close the securing belts to further secure the roof, and then secure the lifting bar with the strap. Fasten the bellows with the 3 Velcro straps. Finally, close and clip the entrance cover to complete the process. And that's it. The pop-up roof is now closed. Thanks for watching.